It is a beautiful day to be a crypto investor. The altcoin market is breaking out of its 80-week almost accumulation range that we've been stuck in with conviction now. Big green candle taking out these highs right here finally. We close right here for the week. Things are looking very good. Bitcoin still sitting right around 44K, waiting to see if we're going to get another leg up or if we're due for a pullback. I'm of the opinion, I think that we are entering a parabola and going on a big run here. I'm going to show you some tweets and some charts uh, to back that up and support that. But the big thing today is the altcoin market, right? So let me pull total 3 back up. We're going to look at a couple of coins that I've had my eye on. One that I'm holding for the long term and for most of the bull run, and then also a swing trade that I took. Okay, so this is massive news. We have stuff pumping across the board. If we go to crypto market cap, okay, go for the past 24 hours. Bonk, I don't even know what Bonk is. Meme coin, nonsense. But Cardano's up like 20% for the day. One of my babies, Algorand, up 11%. Solana is still on a rampage, up 10%. Render been performing like crazy, up another 10%. Link going for its highs, up about 10%. So we still aren't even seeing crazy percentages on a lot of the big coins, but this is giving us the strength to say, okay, we're definitely breaking out here. And in my opinion, the altcoin market has a lot of catching up to do. Where's my, here we go. I think we catch up with Bitcoin and we're going up towards these bear market bounce highs. So that would mean we're doubling up basically the entire altcoin market. And if the whole altcoin market is pulling a 2x, that means you're going to have specific altcoins doing a lot more than that. Okay, so let's dive into the swing trade that I took on DOT. DOT is looking absolutely beautiful. Again, has this big consolidation range. We've seen stuff like Solana go from its accumulation range down here. It's going up for it. Again, this bear market bounce that we had in March of 2022, everything looks like it's coming for these highs right now. Bitcoin is almost there to around 48K. Solana is pumping up right now, I think targeting these highs. We don't want the market cap chart, but let's pull up the price chart, which would be around $130, so about another 2x from here. But Polkadot still in its accumulation range down here. It hasn't even broken out of its accumulation range. I think we'll see $8 in the very short term, right? I took my swing trade down here at around, $5.20, $5.30. So I'm already doing well on that trade. I think once we break out of this range, I do even better. And I think that Polkadot does the same thing that Solana and Chainlink are doing and heads for these bear market bounce highs around, the low 20s, like 22, $23. I think that's where I'm going to be looking to take profit and, uh, you know, get my money out. This isn't one that I want to hold for the long term. It's just a swing trade. Just want to make a quick buck. Okay. Next up, Algorand. This is phenomenal. Sorry, guys, still getting over a bit of a cold that I had. We had this terrible bear market for Algorand, but Algorand is finally showing some strength. Today, the market cap of Algo passed up Quant, which Quant was like double the market cap of Algo for most of the whole bear market. But Quant hasn't really done much of anything. Algo off of its lows is up 100% now, a little more maybe. Yeah, because our lows were like about 100, a little over 100%. So it's still nothing crazy, right? From where we were at, we were at $2.30, $2.50. We had $3. So we're still all the way down at 18 cents. Again, we need to get Algorand back to dollars, not pennies. That's going to be big. HBAR. Also, if we get this weekly close right here, that will be very exciting. We are breaking out of this massive resistance line at around 6.5 cents. I think HBAR, another one. Great project. So it's like own blockchain, right? Or hash graph in this case. I think we come for those highs of that bear market bounce, 25 cents. And I think once we really start seeing this breakout, this is just day one. Like it's just getting started, in my opinion. Uh, I think we're going to see some more follow through on Bitcoin. I think we get another leg up, and I think the altcoins absolutely just continue to rip, and we go a lot farther, a lot faster than most people think. I don't think most people are ready for the move that we're about to have. So I could see HBAR teleporting, bro, straight up to like 20 cents in the coming weeks and months. And then we'll look at Quant too. Quant is just being kind of dead. It's been around $100 for, let's see, how long has this been? If you don't count that deviation we had down to $40, we've been chilling around $100 for about 2 years. We had a little bit below to 40, a little bit above to like 200, chilling around $100. I think Quant easily comes up for 200 in the coming weeks and months. Again, assuming that the altcoin market continues to pump, and I just don't see a reason why this one wouldn't follow. We broke out of this massive descending resistance. I think we see continuation here. All right, but Bitcoin, we'll zoom in a little because I think the Bitcoin shorter term chart looks pretty good too, right? It's not as good as these consolidations we had up here or here where we didn't really pull back at all. Like it was just sideways up. This one we pulled back a little bit, but still it's just like a little descending channel. We broke out of that resistance, and now it looks like we're getting ready to make another leg up. I would think measured move from the last move, amateur TA, take us to like 47K. So take it for what it is. Who knows what's going to happen? Bitcoin dominance finally coming down a bit here. I feel like this still has some more juice in it. I don't think Bitcoin dominance is done. I think we have a little bit more to go. Maybe set one more high, and then maybe it'll roll over. But who knows in this market? Anything could happen. Bitcoin could absolutely start rampaging again and just steal the show. But the higher that this goes, I, the more room the alts have to just explode, right? Especially if this is Bitcoin going up, causing the dominance to go up, not Bitcoin going down and the altcoins going down more. If this goes up a shit ton, uh, because Bitcoin's just running on its own, that means there's a lot more money in the market to transition and rotate into alts when this comes down. Okay, so I'm fine with this going up. I'm fine waiting for the altcoins. It doesn't matter to me. We're here for the long game. We're here for this whole bull run. We're here to see new all-time highs, and if we have to be a little patient for that for the altcoins, that's okay. Taking a look at XRP quickly. XRP is also showing a little bit of strength. It's having a solid day here, right? We broke out of this 62.5 cent resistance, got up to like 64, stalled out a bit, and now we're pushing up to 67. Again, all of this to me is just kind of noise, to be honest. You could try and draw like maybe a line like this and say, okay, we're getting ready to break this resistance. Um, but XRP, when it wants to move, it's just going to go in a vertical line. It doesn't really just grind up. It's going to go in a vertical line. It's going to go super fast. And I'm interested, like I keep saying, when we're talking about XRP in dollars, not cents. So let's move on to some tweets we got from Mustache, El Crypto Prof, just showing the chart. The total market cap for altcoins has broken out. The next bull run is starting now. OBV and TSI crossed into positive territory at the same time. Last time this happened in 2020, from which point forward we saw several altcoins make 50 to 100x and more in the following 12 months. So if we see here, I know you can't see it's behind my head, but we had two crosses here in these indicators, and we're breaking out of our resistance trend lines. Perfect. Here from TechDev, latest look at key liquidity signal. It's 4 out of 4 at launching Bitcoin to new all-time highs in 4 to 10 months. He's showing that it's a liquidity signal that's really what controls the markets, not the halvings. Everybody's so focused on the halving, but the halving's just a narrative. I don't think that's what controls the market. And there's a lot of indicators that I've seen like this about liquidity cycles and showing that all the indicators we normally see when we're about to go into a parabola and go on a moon mission, they're flashing. They already flashed. And that would be indicative that we're headed to all-time highs. This isn't just like a bear market rally, and we're going to get a pullback, and it's going to take some time. No, it looks like we are entering the parabolic phase. Then pulling up the crypto fear and greed index, we're still only at 72 in greed, which is something that is very reassuring to see that we're not super overextended yet into extreme greed. And if we go down to the chart, right, even when we get up to extreme greed up here in the 90s, normally we end up staying there for a little while, right? We stay there for a couple months. So we're not even in the extreme greed yet. And once we get there, we can expect to stay there for a couple months. So there's so much more steam left in this rally, in my opinion. Okay. King Valix, I love this guy. He talks about XRP a lot, but he's very, very brash, very harsh. He goes, "What idiot said there's no straight line to new all-time highs? With multiple institutions worth trillions getting ready to unleash the Bitcoin ETF last gas, history is going to repeat itself 100x over." He just shows this chart. Like when Bitcoin goes, dude, it goes in the market, just goes. It doesn't need to take its time. And then finally, from Chloe XRP, just a bit of a meme here. Coming in hard with this meme that's so true. Our time is coming, guys and girls. Just the last stretch now. So it shows the crypto market bull run beginning, and the XRP holders are just waiting on the stairs. They didn't get on the plane. But that'll be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I was able to provide some information, maybe a laugh or two. And I appreciate the likes, the comments, and the support on the recent couple videos. I notice it. It's awesome. And I intend to keep making these crypto videos because this market really interests me. I love being a part of it. I love talking about it. I love watching it every day. So again, if you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.